This recipe for roast mutton masala creates a rich, semi-dry gravy where the spices cling to the meat, paired with fluffy aromatic rice. This style of roast is popular in South Asian cuisine, focusing on slow-searing the meat in its own juices and spices. Ingredients: serves 4. Ingredient type: what you need: the meat 2.2 lbs, mutton, leg or shoulder chunks, bone-in. Aromatics: large onions, thinly sliced. 2 tbsp ginger garlic paste. Spices: 1 tsp turmeric, 2 tsp chili powder, 1 tbsp coriander powder, 1 tsp Garam MasalaWhole Spices2 Bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 4 cardamom pods, 4 ClovesLiquid, fat 4 tbsp oil or ghee, 1 to 2 cup plain yogurt, salt to taste. The rice: 2 cups, Basmati rice, 3.5 cups water, 1 tsp cumin seeds. Phase 1. Marinate the mutton. For the most tender meat, marinate the mutton for at least 30 minutes, or overnight in the fridge. Mix the mutton with the yogurt, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, and a pinch of salt. Set aside while you prep the rest. Sauté whole spices. Heat oil or ghee in a heavy-bottomed pot or pressure cooker. Add the bay leaves, cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves. Let them sizzle for 30 seconds. Brown the onions. Add the sliced onions. Cook on medium heat until they are deep golden brown. This is the secret to a dark, rich gravy. Sear the meat, add the marinated mutton. Turn the heat to high and sauté for 8 to 10 minutes. You want the moisture to evaporate and the meat to brown slightly. The roast effect. Add ground spices. Stir in the chili powder and coriander powder. Add a splash of water if the spices start to stick. Slow cook. Pressure cooker. Add 1 cup of water. Close the lid and cook for 5 to 6 whistles, about 15-20 mins, until the meat is tender. Stovetop. Add 2 cups of water, cover tightly, and simmer on low-medium heat for 60-90 minutes, stirring occasionally. The roast. Finish. Once the meat is tender, open the lid. If there is too much liquid, turn the heat to high and cook uncovered until the gravy thickens into a thick masala coating the meat. Stir in the garam masala and fresh coriander. Phase 3. The cumin rice, jeera rice. Wash the basmati rice until the water runs clear. Soak for 20 minutes, then drain. In a separate pot, heat 1 tbsp of oil. Add 1 tsp of cumin seeds. Once they crackle, add the rice and sauté gently for 1 minute to coat the grains in oil. Add 3.5 cups of water and salt. Bring to a boil, then turn the heat to the lowest setting. Cover with a tight lid and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it sit, covered, for 5 minutes before fluffing with a fork. Tenderness. If your mutton is particularly tough, you can add a small piece of raw papaya, mashed, to the marinade as a natural tenderizer. Settings: